and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhuvneshwari Pari and I'm a beauty influencer and a content creator. So if you're someone who has just came into my channel and visited it for the very first time, then I would love to have you as my family member, virtual family member. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I will be posting a video, you will be notified and you will be updated about all my recent videos further. So without saying that, let's move into today's video. So today's video, as you have seen the title already, it's all about skincare prep. Yes, it's all about preparing our skin because now it's lockdown and we can go to the parlors. I never used to go to the parlors for spas and facials, but if you are someone who was a daily customer or who wanted to prepare their skin and they love to pamper their skin and they wanted those luxurious spa, then let's bring the parlor to our home and let's begin with the skincare routine. Because skincare is so important, you guys. Even if you are applying makeup to make it look flawless, you must have a flawless skin first, because makeup can hide the dark spots, pigmentation, but it can't hide your textures. Am I right? So let's begin with the skincare routine. So the skincare routine today I will be showing you will not consist of any chemical exfoliators, any peel off mask, any acids, nothing. It will be a very simple skincare routine so that all of you can try it, and you can also try it with whatever products you have. I will just let you know the sequence that I follow. Let's begin with the video. So but by the way, have you noticed my skin? By the end of the video, I swear you will find my skin glowy and dewy. We will be glowing like crazy. So for the first step, we will be obviously starting with cleansing our face because I'm an oily skin type and I have a lot of oil on my face right now. I haven't even cared to wash my face before starting this video. Yes, exactly. So I'm taking some water. I have just used this old rose gold dabba for like refilling water in it. So it becomes very handy. I don't have to go and wash my face repeatedly. I just spritz some water. So this is only water, you guys. This is only water because before cleansing we can't apply any product. It will just destroy and it will be waste of product. So I'm just spritzing some water and I think I need to shut my mouth. So for my cleanser today, I will be using this the Laneige Cleansing Multi Deep Clean Cleanser because I haven't cleansed my face. I haven't like deeply cleansed my face for a while, so I wanted something like this because this is a very nice product. I love it. It really deeply cleanses your face and it makes your skin totally out of germs and it makes it squeaky clean. When I say you have to believe it, I love the product. I love Laneige products so much. So I'm not being confused today and I'm taking a generous amount of the product, but don't take lot of products because that will be useless and you will be just wasting your money and your products because it's lockdown and you might not be able to get your products on time. So be mindful, use it generously, but don't overuse the products. Okay, now massaging the cleanser. So generally it's been said that you have to massage your face with the cleanser or face wash, whatever you like to call it, for at least 1 to 2 minutes. I don't know if it has any scientific reason because I'm not much about what are acids or why this product is meant like that and all of that, but I'm just updated with how you should use it basically and why we should use it that much. I think that much of knowledge is fine. Okay, now that the cleanser has become a little dry, I will spritz some more water. You shouldn't massage your face while it's dry because then you will get breakouts easily. You have to always, like, your fingers should basically glide onto your skin. I'm taking it down and cleaning my neck as well and the lower part of my chin as well. Mostly people forget to care about the neck and the lower part of the chin. You have to be very gentle, no need to be harsh, no need to be on a hurry. Take your time and pamper your skin. You can also go behind the ears. Now we can go and wash our face. So I will be right back. So now I won't dry my face with a towel or anything. I will just keep it dampened. I'm just drying off my hands. Because the next step is scrub, and we have to scrub our face on dampened face and not on dry face. So the scrub I will be using today is from Bella Vita, and it is a papaya face scrub gel. It's for anti-blemish and pigmentation. So this is the only scrubber I have, I guess. The only decent scrubber I have, I would like to say that. And again, taking a generous amount of it. While you are applying your scrubber, you have to be very gentle on your skin. Now you can scrub your face for like 1 to 2 minutes and not more than 3 minutes, because then that will be too much of exfoliation, because 1 to 2 minutes is like quite enough for your dead skin cells to get rid of your skin. I'm just massaging them very gently. I'm being very gentle on my skin. You don't have to like go over and like do all kind of disco steps there. You have to be very gentle. You can also play some soothing, calming music, dim the lights, because I usually prefer to do this in dim lights, but because now I'm filming this thing, I have to apply all the lights, but it's not good to do it in very brightening light setup. You can dim the lights for very nice and effective results. And you can apply some candles, some soothing music, and whatever you love, so that your skin will feel relaxing. Again, scrubbing the lower part of my chin. Don't forget this part. I'm just using circular motions and nothing else. Don't forget the corner of your nose, because we tend to get lot of blackheads, and on your chin area. The tip of your nose. If you feel even your scalp is also being little dry, you can again spread some water. Literally, water is the rescue. Okay, now that's enough. We're gonna quickly go and wash our face, and I will be right back. Again, don't rub your face, just take whatever cloth, towel, whatever you are using, and just pat it onto your skin, and you are good to go. Next, for my mask, I will be multi-masking today, and I'm using these two from Holy Moly. This is the Blackhead Steam Balm. This is to apply on your nose area, on your chin, wherever you have blackhead. And then this is a tightening cool pack. If you are feeling your skin has become a little saggy or whatever it is, you can just apply it. I just like to apply this because it minimizes my pore a little bit. So that's why. So this is how it looks. I hope the camera catches. So this is how it looks, and I will be applying it quickly to my face. Don't take it to your eye area. It's little bit of a different kind of texture, which makes it little difficult to apply to your skin. Then I will be taking the Blackhead Steam Mask, and this is totally liquidy, and once you apply this, you will feel little bit of warmness around them, maybe because it is extracting the blackheads or what, I don't know the reason, but I feel a little bit of warmness. So now I will let this mask sit on my face for at least about 10 to 15 minutes before washing it. So see you then. So now I've kept this mask for at least 15 minutes and now it's time to wash it. So before washing, I'm not going to spritz in water directly, but I will wet my face again. I will massage the mask again. And now I will go and wash this face. Wash the mask nicely and now it's time to dry down my face. My face is completely dry now and now I will be toning my face because I have used that pore minimizer mask. I want to give more importance to my pores today because they have really they're swollen up. They have opened up a lot. So for that I'm using the Kaya toner. I love this pore minimizing toner. It feels so good and refreshing. So I will let the toner dry down a little bit. Then I will be taking this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum ANR and I will be just taking few drops of it. Then I will be massaging this serum nicely onto my face. Now I would also like to apply some aloe vera gel. This one is from Wow Skin Science because this really makes my skin feel so calming and it also calms down if there is any kind of irritation. This also doesn't have any kind of fragrance or whatever smell. And then for my eyes I will be using this Aroma Magic under eye cream and you need just the tiniest bit dot ever. I don't know how many years this will last me. Can you see how much product I have applied? That's it. That's only quantity that you need. So I'm using my ring finger because that won't put much pressure on my under eyes because they have the sensitive area. We don't want any cell to be damaged. Next I'm using this Laneige lip sleeping mask. I love this and no other lip product I think so can ever change this one. Like can never be a substitute for this lip product. I haven't included any acids, any peels because that might be too much for some of you guys. But if you want an extensive skincare routine, then do let me know in the comment section below so that we can do steam, we can do the blackhead extraction and all of the jars and we can make our skin even more healthy. But if you are ready for a long video, then only let me know in the comment section below. I will be doing a very nice, elaborated and extensive skincare routine. So I hope you all had a good day and you liked this video. So if you did, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my video. Till then, stay safe and take care.